Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going to talk about our day in English.
So, Alex, what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I did was go for a short walk. And you?
I woke up at the same time, but I didn't go for a walk. I went straight to the kitchen. I had some tea and bread for breakfast.
Oh, nice. I had coffee, of course. I can't start my day without it. What did you do in the afternoon, Sarah?
I went to work. I checked my emails and had a meeting with my team. For lunch, I ate rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy. I stayed at home. I read a book and played the guitar for a while. For lunch, I made pasta.
Pasta again?
Yes. Pasta is always a good idea.
In the evening, I came back home. I was a little tired, so I listened to music and rested.
While you were resting, I cooked dinner. I made chicken and salad.
It was delicious. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. I enjoy it.
After dinner, we watched a movie together.
Yes, it was really funny. I laughed a lot.
Me too. And then we went to bed around 10 o'clock.
A simple but good day.
And that was our day.
What about you? How was your day?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.